Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on IG Crypto. And for this we go to ig.com and then there we select create live accounts. Then right now the first thing that we are going to do is fill in right here your country of residence, your title, your first name, your last name, and maybe a former first or last name if you had that. Then right now we fill in right here our email address and then we create ourselves a password. Because after that, what we're going to do is we click right here, then on next, and then you go to contact. Make sure that you fill in right there everything correctly. Then do next and go to personal. At personal, you need to give them a lot of personal information. Then after that, go to finances because they want to know how much you earn and how you want to put money on your account. And then after that, they are asking you to your experience because you need a basic level of experience to start your account on IG Crypto. Then after that, you go to account and there you can set up your own live account. In my region, it's not allowed to create a live account because if I'm selecting right here the country where I'm from, he is saying that, sorry, we cannot open an account for residents of Netherlands through this site. Instead, please visit this website. So this is the place where you can do everything. Do all these steps. It's not that difficult, but read good. And then after that, you created yourselves an account on IG Crypto. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.